Hello everyone. I'm gonna show you a good glue gun and how to use it for quick. Think I bought it for Walmart and that's just a new productions of EdTech on the type of the dual temp. That means we could use the gun on two temperatures level for convenience. It's $8.57 before tax. It's not too much on expense for buying two, right? Like you seen, I'm showing you information of the gun, the glue gun, and it's made in China. The good thing on this glue gun is you just need about 6 minutes for heating up the gun tip, and we can start gluing by melting the glue stick. The glass glue gun needed heating time is 10 minutes. Now it's broken. Now for quick, I set up my timer in 6 minutes for heating up the gun tip and start gluing thereafter. Now the glue gun is heated enough. Then I put the glue stick into the gun through the hole here deeply inside. The tricky thing here is when you press in the trigger, it only gives out some drops of melting glue, then stop there. And no more melting glue will be coming out by continuously pressing the trigger. The reason is here at the window, you see. Pressing the trigger does not hit the first glue stick and pushing it forward, which is causing the glue stick end inside to move the center hot furnace that's close to the gun tip. So, you want to continue gluing, you must add the second glue stick in. Then when you pull the trigger down, the second one glue stick will hit and push the first glue stick moving forward inside to center of the hot furnace. Then it continues melting until the second glue stick will be shortened. And we just add more a third glue stick, and so on. Okay, thank you for watching, and hope you like my video. Goodbye.